Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Tangent slope questions get easy fast when you notice one limit already matches the derivative form. So watch this and lock in the answer quickly. We want the slope of the tangent line at x equals -1, and tangent slope means the derivative there, so really this problem is asking for f prime of -1. Check the limit carefully. As x approaches -1, the fraction f of x minus f of -1 over x plus 1 approaches -3/5, exactly the derivative definition. Since x plus 1 is x minus -1, that limit equals f prime at -1, so the tangent slope is -3/5.
Well done. Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust the given derivative limit, then check the steps before choosing.